Hello guys, welcome to Emadek TV. Today is a very exciting day. Chelsea is playing against Real Madrid at the Stamford Bridge. And just last week, Chelsea went to Spain and Real Madrid scored them 2-0 to now. Today, Real Madrid are in London and they are going to play against Chelsea. In an hour time, the game will be starting. But I mean, we are just coming to discuss one or two things that Lampard needs to do to be able to score Real Madrid. Currently, the potential lineup for Real Madrid is out, and I know that definitely London going to play Chelsea tonight at Stamford Bridge. Today's date is 18th April 2023, and we are all aware of the current form of Chelsea Football Club, where even Lampard coming to take over recently has gone 3 matches without a win, and out of these 3 matches, Chelsea has conceded almost about 9 goals and have scored, I think, just 1 goal, and it is a very serious issue here that Real Madrid can take advantage of. So going into this game, Real Madrid are much better side than Chelsea, but that does not mean we are going to write Chelsea off. In as much as Chelsea is a big team that they know much about the European game, or when it comes to the Champions League, having won it twice, I think Chelsea still have the experience to be able to do wonders or do the impossibility in this particular encounter. The quick one, the lineup, the possible lineup for Chelsea could be, or Chelsea will be lining up, I think 3-4-3 setup, and the possible lineup could be Kepa, Wesley Fofana, and then Thiago Silva and Trevor Chalobah. These 3 players will play in front of Kepa because Koulibaly got injured, I think, the Chelsea's previous game, and he is not available for this particular game, so he wouldn't be playing. Then we have Reece James, N'Golo Kante, Enzo Fernandez, and Marc Cucurella also being in front of the defenders. Then we have Raheem Sterling, Kai Havertz, and then Madrid also going to play up front. Okay, whilst Real Madrid is likely to line up 4-3-3 setup, and Courtois as usual will be in the pool. Eduardo Camavinga will be there. David Alaba, Eder Militao, and then Daniel Carvajal will also play the defense. Luka Modric, Toni Kroos, Federico Valverde will also play the midfield. Then Vinicius Junior, Karim Benzema, Rodrigo will be playing the attacking lineup for Real Madrid. When you look at Chelsea setup, where I am much more interested in because I'm a Chelsea fan, I think that if Chelsea really want to win this game, if Lampard really want to, this is a possible lineup. Okay, this is not a final, this is not a confirmed one. But if Chelsea really want to win this game, I think Kai Havertz shouldn't start this particular game. Okay, because recently all the matches that Chelsea has been playing, Kai Havertz has been playing all these games, and he has not been sharp. There's nothing that Kai Havertz is doing to prove that he's ready to play for Chelsea, or he's going to solve Chelsea problem up front. Kai Havertz, I know, is not a natural striker or a natural forward. Just that because Chelsea don't have a natural striker there who we can rely on, that is why Kai Havertz is playing that position. But then even his contribution in terms of when Chelsea loses the game or loses the ball, how he's able to contribute and do stuff, and even his sharpness, I think Chelsea can still do better by bringing in a different player. To play even Kai Havertz, I would prefer Chelsea play Mason Mount, Raheem Sterling, and then Modric, rather than bringing in Kai Havertz, or bring in Joe Felix, Raheem Sterling, and then Modric. There's also another thing that I think Lampard need to do to understand that Modric defensively he's not good. Okay, Modric is not good. So once he is not good defensively, you don't have to force him to be defended. Let him have the opportunity to run, to have that free roll. Even when Chelsea loses the match, Modric shouldn't be running too much as if he's going to tag to get the ball. Okay, because the guy is trying to always come back to take the ball, and when he gets in front there, he's already tired. So Modric need to start this game so that at least he being his sharpness and the rate at which he's so skillful, that one alone will also put some fear in the Real Madrid defenders, and they wouldn't be moving forward too much, knowing that Modric possesses a very big threat to them if in case they have to take their eyes off him. So going into this particular game, I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to see what Chelsea shouldn't be thinking of defending, because whether they defend or not, Real Madrid will try to come to them to be able to get a goal. And so what Chelsea needs to do is just be very careful. Make sure that you attack very well. You don't leave any player and they have to move. When you look at the lineup I gave to you on the screen, you can see that Chelsea really need a lot of things to be able, or need a very serious work to do, or they have a very serious work to do to be able to beat Real Madrid. But then it is not anything that Chelsea can't do. It is much possible, because they have all the qualities, and when it comes to experience, even though age difference averagely, Real Madrid have, I think, 28.6 years, whilst Chelsea have 26. So it's more or less like the Real Madrid players are much older than, or a little bit older than they are older than the Chelsea players. But when it comes to experience, I know that the Madrid players are much experienced. But Chelsea also have some players like N'Golo Kante, Reece James, Thiago Silva, Raheem Sterling, Kai Havertz, who are also very much experienced players when it comes to the Champions League. They've been to the finals before, they've done it before, and they know what it takes to win matches like this. So all what Lampard has to do is to make sure that he encourages his players and put in the right people to play at the right positions. Kai Havertz playing at number 9 position for Chelsea is not the best, and it will not help. I will be here, Emadek, to give you or to come and analyze the game after the match has been played. But for now, what I know is that this is the possible lineup that the two teams will be fielding today on the pitch. So, guys, let's go and watch the match. After the match, Emadek will be here to analyze the game with you. Thank you.